How to change the appearance of your Wise application. Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your appearance into your Wise application. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application, and after opening the application, simply unlock the application by entering your biometrics or the passcode. Then, after opening the application, this homepage will appear. Tap into this profile picture icon into the top left corner, and from there, you will get a bunch of options. Just simply select this setting option in the general section. After tapping into the setting option, you will get this appearance option directly. Simply tap to the appearance option. You can choose same as device, light and dark option. Simply select the suitable option for you among these three. I'm selecting light option for now, and as you can see here, in one touch my appearance is successfully changed. This way you can also change your Wise app appearance. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.